Hello everyone, welcome to the series of study guides on the Booker Prize winner books. And in this video, we are going to discuss the novel The Sellout by Paul Beatty, which won Booker Prize in 2016. Introduction. The Sellout by Paul Beatty is a satirical novel that dives deep into the complexities of racial identity in the United States. First published in 2015, it uses humor, irony, and exaggeration to examine issues of race, class, and culture through its sharp wit. The novel dissects the absurdities of a so-called post-racial America, challenging readers to confront difficult questions about history, identity, and societal norms. Plot overview. The story follows an unnamed protagonist nicknamed Bonbon who lives in Dickens, a predominantly black fictional neighborhood in Los Angeles. After Dickens is removed from official maps, Bonbon takes on the mission to re-establish its identity. His radical methods include reinstating slavery in a satirical form and resegregating schools to provoke thought about the erasure of black communities and culture. The novel opens with Bonbon on trial before Supreme Court, facing charges for his provocative actions. Characters. Bonbon, the narrator, the black farmer and satirical anti-hero who questions societal norms through radical, controversial actions. Hominy Jenkins, a former child actor from The Little Rascals, who voluntarily becomes Bonbon's slave to revive the black cultural identity he feels has been lost. Foy Cheshire, a self-proclaimed intellectual and Bonbon's rival. He seeks to rewrite history in a politically correct way, symbolizing performative activism. Marpessa, Bonbon's ex-girlfriend and a bus driver. Her character represents everyday resilience and pragmatism in the face of systemic struggles. The narrator's father, a sociologist whose unconventional, race-centered social experiments shaped Bonbon's worldview. Key themes: racial identity and authenticity. The novel questions the idea of authentic black identity, especially in the context of a post-racial society. Satire of post-racial America. Beatty uses humor to criticize the notion of a color-blind society and highlights the persistence of systemic racism. Historical amnesia. Through characters like Foy Cheshire, the book explores how people attempt to erase or sanitize uncomfortable parts of history. The burden of representation. Bonbon's radical actions underscored the pressure of black individuals to both preserve their heritage and combat stereotypes. Narrative structure and style. The novel is structured around a series of flashbacks from Bonbon's Supreme Court trial. Beatty's writing is dense with allusions, humor, and social commentary, echoing the style of Richard Pryor and George Schuller. The pacing is frantic, with rapid-fire jokes and digressions that mirror the chaotic experience of racial discourse in America. Symbols and motifs. Dickens represents marginalized black communities that are systemically erased. Segregation, used satirically to critique societal divisions and the cyclical nature of racial segregation. Watermelon and wheat. Bonbon's choice of crops. These symbolize stereotypes and the commodification of black culture. The N-word. Beatty's repeated use of the word exposes its raw historical weight and challenges readers to confront its place in modern language and identity. Critical reception. The Sellout received widespread acclaim, with Beatty becoming the first American to win the Man Booker Prize. Critics praised its audacity, humor, and nuanced portrayal of race. However, the novel also sparked debates, as some readers found its approach to race offensive and too provocative. Similar books: Invisible Man by Ralph Ellison, another novel that explores black identity in America through the lens of satire and surrealism. Black No More by George Schuyler, a satirical novel about race transformation offering commentary on race relations in America. The White Boy Shuffle by Paul Beatty. Beatty's earlier work also uses satire to explore identity and black experiences. Conclusion: The Sellout is a groundbreaking satire that forces readers to reckon with the deep-rooted and often uncomfortable truths of American racial identity. Through Beatty's sharp wit and biting humor, the novel presents a powerful critique of race relations in modern America, compelling readers to question what it means to live in a truly post-racial society, if such a concept could ever exist. So this was the study guide on the novel The Sellout by Paul Beatty. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other book that has won Booker Prize. Until then, goodbye and thank you.